What is good, everybody? We're back with part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, it's right here, a little preview. You don't want to miss it. But yeah, we're back here today. Going to be rebuilding the CRF450. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and break this thing down, drain all the fluids, the coolant and everything into the engine, see what we got. Definitely got good news. First, there's several problems with this bike. The first one I noticed was when I was trying to pull the engine out. This is the swing arm spacer, and it goes in between the engine and the swing arm itself. But also, this primary gear bolt right here is loose like this. You can see the spacer. It's not supposed to be like that, obviously. It's been beat up, as you can see. It's taking some damage. But the good thing is, the bike is not locked up. So what it did was, that bolt had came loose, and it was while I was riding it, and it came to a point where it hit the case right here, and it had stopped the engine completely. So it got to that point, and it just locked up the bike. And when I tried to kick it, that gear, it wouldn't allow it to move because it was up against the case right here. So that's good news. The bike isn't locked up. I was trying to take the engine out as well. I was fighting that for a while. And I was like, man, this shouldn't be this hard. So I just started taking the clutch side off and found this. Went to go take the cam chain off, and the engine started to move. So that was great news. Alright, so another issue while I was mixing the transmission oil with the coolant was this seal right here. This was the one that was making it leak in the first place, I believe. So I had bought a new one, but I had put it on backwards. So I had flipped it around. But now you see, it looks like it is backwards, but it's really not. That's how it's supposed to go in. Also, this is the propeller shaft. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this on the end or what, but they say like if this is scratched up or scuffed up or anything, it could get on that seal and it could cause it to rip or cut it. For the most part, I mean, everything looks good. Like I said, that was the main issue right there, where the bolt had stopped it, the whole engine. So that's really good news. But yeah, let's go and clean all this stuff up. Alright, so we got all our parts. Got Let's see what we got. With clutch cover gasket, that water pump propeller, the inner clutch cover gasket. So let's go on and assemble this thing back up and yeah, get her put back together.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone and actor out on loan. Riders on the storm, there's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah.
Well, everything's put together. Now, let's go and throw the rear wheel on. Wait, I got something even better. How about we put these wheels on?
Yeah. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.